Forget everything you think you know about work trucks. Toyota just unveiled the 2027 Hilux 4X4 at the Tokyo Mobility Show, and it does not look like a tool. It looks like a concept car that escaped the design studio. Sleek LED architecture, a floating roofline, and a 2.8-liter turbo diesel heart that still promises 20 years of reliability. We took it from the exhibition floor straight to the modern highway, through neon-lit cityscapes and glass and steel architecture. In this video, we are breaking down the new design language, the tech, the real-world performance, and whether this futuristic Hilux still remembers how to be a truck. Toyota sold over 18 million Hilux units by 2025. It is the definition of, if it is not broken, do not fix it. But the world changed. Buyers in 2027 want capability without compromise. They want a truck that looks at home parked outside a Tokyo design studio or a Dubai showroom, not just a farm in Queensland. So Toyota kept the ladder frame, kept the 2.8L diesel, but wrapped it in a design language they are calling Keen Look 3. It is sharper, more architectural, and deliberately exhibition grade. The goal was simple. Build a Hilux that dominates the motor show floor on Saturday and hauls 2 tons of concrete on Monday. This is not a concept. This is production. And that is what makes it shocking. This is not a facelift. This is a reimagining. The front end is dominated by a parametric grille with active shutters that open and close like mechanical eyelids. The LED headlights are ultra-thin projectors that wrap around the fenders and create a signature light graphic visible from a kilometer away. The hood is a clamshell design with integrated heat vents that glow warm orange when the engine is working. The beltline is higher and sharper, creating a protective cockpit feel. But the most dramatic element is the floating roof. Toyota used blacked-out A-pillars and a glass canopy that appears to hover above the body. In the exhibition hall, it looks like the cabin is levitating. On the road, it creates a visual lightness that contradicts the truck's capability. The wheels are 20-inch aero-optimized alloys on higher trims with turbine-style covers that improve efficiency. And the tailgate is now a full-width LED light bar with animated turn signals. It is a truck that photographs like a concept car. Under that concept car hood is a familiar heart, but evolved. The 1GD, FTV, 2, and 8-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel now produces 224 horsepower and 550 Newton-meters in its highest tune. Toyota added a new variable geometry turbo with an electric actuator for instant response. The common rail system runs at 2,800 bars for finer atomization. But the big news is the 48-volt mild hybrid system. A small electric motor sandwiched between the engine and transmission provides torque fill at low RPM, smoother stop-start, and regenerative braking. It is not a full hybrid. It is a smart hybrid. Fuel economy jumps to 32 miles per gallon combined. And the engine still meets Euro 7 standards without complex aftertreatment that fails in the bush. It is the same reliability, just modernized for 2027. Step inside, and the exhibition aesthetic continues. The dashboard is a single horizontal wing that appears to float, suspended by hidden brackets. The material is not plastic. It is a recycled composite that looks and feels like cast aluminum. The steering wheel is a 2-spoke design with capacitive controls and a digital screen in the center. There is no traditional instrument cluster. Instead, a 12-inch transparent HUD projects all data onto the windshield. The center console is dominated by a 14-inch curved touchscreen running Toyota's latest interface. But here is the practical magic. Every surface is wiped clean. The seats use a new nano fabric that repels mud, coffee, and whatever your kids throw at it. The rear seats fold completely flat into the floor, creating a continuous load space. And the ambient lighting has 64 colors, Because Toyota knows this truck will spend time in valet lines, not just job sites. We drove the 2027 Hilux through 3 environments. First, the modern city. The 48-volt mild hybrid makes stop-start traffic seamless. The electric motor moves the truck before the diesel even wakes up. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system make squeezing into tight exhibition-adjacent parking structures easy. The turning radius is surprisingly tight for a truck with a 127-inch wheelbase. On the highway, the Hilux settles into a cruise that feels closer to a luxury SUV than a work vehicle. Wind noise is minimal thanks to the aero-optimized mirrors and flush door handles. The adaptive cruise maintains distance smoothly, and the lane-keeping assist is subtle, not fighting the wheel. We average 30 miles per gallon at 75 miles per hour. For a 4-wheel drive diesel truck, that is remarkable. The 10-speed automatic shifts so smoothly you barely notice it. Toyota knows most 2027 Hilux owners will never see a rally stage, but they will see snow, mud, gravel, and steep driveways. So the 4x4 system got smarter, not just tougher. The dial offers 2H, 4H, and 4L, but now there is an auto mode that monitors traction in real time and engages the front axle before the wheels slip. The rear differential is an electronic locker that engages in under a second. And the new multi-terrain select system has 4 modes: mud, sand, rock, and dirt. Each mode adjusts throttle response, diff behavior, and braking intervention. But unlike complex systems that think for you, the Hilux gives you clear feedback on the 14-inch screen, showing exactly which wheels have grip and where the power is going. It teaches you to be a better driver. The approach angle is 31 degrees, departure is 26 degrees, and wading depth is 31.5 inches. It is still a Hilux. It just thinks now. The 2027 Toyota Hilux 4x4 starts at $45,000 for the base trim. The mid-spec SR5 is $52,000. The top-tier Exhibition Edition, yes, that is. The actual name is $58,000 and includes every design feature from the motor show floor. Is it more expensive than the old Hilux? Yes, but you are not just buying a truck. You are buying a vehicle that looks like it belongs in a design museum, drives like a modern luxury SUV, and still carries 2 tons in the bed. Toyota did something remarkable here. They made a work truck desirable. Not because it is fast or flashy, but because it is honest, capable, and finally beautiful. If you need a truck that works on Monday and turns heads at the weekend exhibition, this is the one. No compromises, no gimmicks, just the future of tough.